Okay, we're in mathematics still today. We're going to still talk about factorization of quadratic expression. We taught the same factorization in our last class, so I will continue teaching us this factorization of quadratic expression until we get to know them very well, so that in our subsequent calculations, both in physics, if we meet anything concerning factorization, it won't be hard for us to understand our class. Here, then what we're going to do now, the first step is if the coefficient of the first term, remember this is first term, this is middle term, this is middle or second term, this is third or constant term. Good. The first step we're going to do now is if the coefficient of the first one is greater than 1, we use the coefficient to multiply the constant term along with the sign. So we now have 4 times plus 9. No, this is plus. If it is minus, the minus will show, but since it is plus, whether it is present or not, it is the same plus. So we now have plus times plus is plus. Then 4 times 9 is 36. That is the first step here. Then the second step, we look for the factors of this number we obtained after multiplying this and this. We look for the factors of 36. Let's look for it in pace. We have 1 times 36 will give us 36. We have 9 times 4 will give us 36. We have 2 times 9, 2 times 18 will give us 36. Then 6 times itself will give us 36. This will give us 36. Will give us 36. This will give us 36. Will give us 36. Then in the next step, after getting the factors, we now look for any pair that when we add or subtract, if we choose the two numbers and subtract or add, it will give us the coefficient of the middle term, which is now plus 13. So we now check the first one. 1 and 36 cannot give us 13, even in plus and minus. Then 9 and 4, there is service there. We have service here, there is no service here. Then we now check this one. 2 and 16, in addition and plus, it cannot give us in addition and subtraction, it cannot give us 13. So this one is off. Then in addition, it will give us 12, it cannot reach 13. In subtraction, it will give us automatic 0. So the one that will serve our demand is 9 and 4. We now check the nature of 9 and 4. To solve this plus 13, we now check plus 4 plus 13. Plus 4 plus 9 will give us plus 13. But when we check even plus 4 times plus 9 will only give us plus 36. So this one is correct. If we check minus 4 minus 9 will give us minus 13. This one is off. This one is good. If we check minus 4 plus 9 give us plus 5, is not there. Then plus 4 minus 9 will give us minus 5, is not there. So it is only plus 4 plus 9 will give us plus 13. Good. We now use it to replace the quotient of this middle term. We now have 4x squared. If they are coming to replace, they will share whatsoever 13 has. We now have plus 4 coming in, will share in x. Then plus 9 coming in, will share in x. We now bring down this 9. Then the next step is to enclose them in 2's. Here, we enclose them in 2's. After enclosing, we factorize. We look for the common factors. We have 4 here, we have 4 here. We pick 1 4. We have x here, we have x here. We pick 1 x. We now look for the remainder inside. If you pick 4, no number remains. If you pick x, you will have double x. So if you pick x, 1x will remain. Then bring down plus. If you pick 4 and x, nothing remains except 1. plus, here we have 9, we pick 9. Then if you pick 9, remains x plus, if you pick 9, nothing remains except 1. Then in picking the factors, we have x plus 1, we just collect 1, x plus 1. Bracket, we now join this one and this one. This